Perfect. This is literally Bobby Boss dupe. I got it from Primark and this was $5.50. I chose Charlotte Tilbury dupe, which I moisturized when I was younger. Around, I don't want to be patchy. I just need it to be even. And I'm going under my eyes as well. You can use foundation as a correction. Eye marker. Wow. This is the color brown I believe. Which I can also use as a yeah. So just use this prime color. Already. Really difficult. Just put that down. So beautiful. How that's why you become teacher. I work with teachers every day. And my cover needs to be here. So coming here. No, actually. Just build it up a little bit. No, you're right. Hello. My skin, my facial maybe not this one too nice in there. This one, I can't do that. I ever know these songs. I use this. I always just try to brush. Look, once that, because this look very skinny. Guys, eyeshadow is powder. You can use it for your eyes. You can use it for blush. You can use it for your eyebrows. It does not. You can even use it for your lips. It's powder. You can use it for anything. Just because it comes smaller like this, it don't make a difference. It's still powder. So I can go in with this shade right here. This is the Urban Decay Desert Bouquet palette in 35D. Honestly, my favorite palette. You're gonna see this on my channel probably for the rest of my life until every single one of them, every shade is done. And I'm gonna add my contour, but she has orange blush, which is not different for me, but I haven't done that in so long. So I'm gonna go in with this orange right here called Temp Check. And yes, you can use the same products over your base and the same brush multiple times. Because if I have the last color still on the brush, then that means the last color and the color that I'm putting on top of it are gonna blend even better. And we're just gonna keep going till I get that orangey look I want. Bring it down just a little bit. I'm gonna go with one above. It says Yes I Canyon. It has a brighter orange. And I'm just gonna go, yep, right on top. And that's really gonna set off this orange blush look. And it's very prominent on that one angle on her face. I really like orange on me. I think I should be using orange more. Usually I use peach, like a really dusty pinkish peach, but I think I should do orange now because clearly her makeup artist again knew what she was doing for me. Okay, perfect. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and get into the eyes. It's pretty obvious she has a very neutral, nudish tone on her. She definitely has a highlight under her eyes. I can add a shimmer under my eyes to do the highlight, or like a very nude. Let's do a nude instead. I always go in with this one. Light linen. Always will be light linen. All over the lid. And right under the brow bone. I'm going to start very clean and slate. But I also like how this color really allows my features to pop. Because I can really see my crease easier, to be honest. I'm pretty sure I have a color very close to what she's wearing, which is, in my opinion, this one called Sun Hat. But she also has kind of, in my opinion, it looks like a gradient. So I'm going to go in with this color Sun Hat, and I'm going to go in also with this color Adobe, and then I'm going to go in with the color Light Linen one more time, and then I'm going to add some shimmer. And I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush, to be honest, because it's working with me. I'm just looking in the mirror, though. I'm going to have this color Adobe right here, my outer corners, and on my crease. I think she has a little bit more brown in it, so I'm also going to go in with this Mud Mask one. Just on my crease, just to give me some definition. Just me personally, I do always go what I see looks best, but I also need to be true to myself as well. And then I'm going to go, like I said, with, it's very nudish. It's very nudish. I like it. I really do. And yeah, but I think I actually was on a dot with Adobe because it looks like that's really on her lid. And Adobe's like a really mauve tan, a little pink in it. And I think if I actually do find a, yep, a crease brush, I can actually feather this out a little bit more because it's kind of like, not a smoky eye, but it's giving her a smoky eye for her because it's really cute on her, but it's very like on her. But her eyelashes really do say that as well. And then I'm gonna go a little bit in with light linen in my inner corners, just to have that little spark of light right there. I really love that I know I have a shade that perfectly matches with her eyeliner on her eyes. How we're going to do that is I'm going to use this theory that said if you sprayed setting spray on your eyeshadow, then it will come out looking like eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with something I really don't care to use, which is this Laura Mercier translucent pure setting spray, and this is the invisible hydrating setting spray. I got this a long time ago from TJ Maxx. So I don't really use it. I really don't, but that's not an issue. So I sprayed this color light high noon in all sun, and I'm going to be using, I believe, all sun. And we're just going to swatch this. Can you guys see? Okay. It definitely made pigment, so that's okay. I'm going to use that color on my eyes. And she has it on her lash, her waterline, and under it. So let's see how this goes. And if I think it's not, if I think it's too like orangish, then I'll go in with High Noon, which is like a yellow color. It's truly showing how big my bags are. But that's alright because she does have eyeliner. I mean, she does have mascara on her. Then I do definitely have mascara. Because, girl, what would I be without mascara? Well, we're going to let that set for a minute. And I can put on my mascara on the top. Actually, I'm going to wait for mascara because the problem is that when I do my mascara, for some reason, I have this tendency of spraying my face and then all my mascara goes on my eyelids. So I can't have that. But we can analyze together. So she has that, and then she has her lashes on, and then our lippy. And I think once I spray my face and put on some highlighting gloss, we will be done. We will be done. And it's looking pretty on, I mean, I don't know about y'all, but it's looking pretty on spot to me without the enhanced features. So let's see how it goes. And then we'll finish everything off. I'm going in with this dark berry lip liner from Kiss New York. And this is just going to be a undertone because I'm putting a brown liner on top. I have two. I'm gonna go in with this one for sure. I believe this one is Cocoa. In the Nick and K one. And I go right on top of this because I want that really rich brown. See. Okay, then she has a nude on top. And then she has the yellow pigment on top, or the same shade of her eyes. So I'm actually, I don't know. I don't know for sure what her makeup artist or what she used. But it's clearly this, I mean, it's clearly the same pigment. I'm just trying to figure out, was it a dry pigment though? I mean, hers is like really, let's see. It's very nudish. It's really not that bad. But like, I really didn't want to use the concealer. Just, yeah, but it's okay. Okay, and then she put the yellow pigment in the middle. Ooh. Kind of low-key why I was kind of scared of doing concealer, because it is low-key separating. But I'm gonna go with a little bit more pigment. This pigment gonna get tired of me. Oh, I guess I could just put it on top of the lip gloss. Shoot, is that what she did? Is that what you did? Because why is it popping now? Well, guys, we just learned how to make our own DIY lip gloss. Very pigmented. Girl, is that what she did? She put it on top of the lip gloss. See me struggle, and none of y'all told me that. But hey, we definitely did it. Shoot, should we?
Girl, what the?
Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, guys. This is gorgeous. Like, whoever did her makeup clearly understood how to use different mediums in makeup. She's definitely more precise on Rico's lips than mine. But they're there. That yellow pigment is definitely there. And it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Who knew that like yellow? I don't know. I never knew yellow could be used like that. What y'all think? Hold on, I'm gonna put a little bit more mascara. But seriously, like, this is it. Her makeup artist 8. Her makeup artist literally 8. And it's not because, like, oh my goodness, I'm in love with this. I can't wait to see this in, like, a different lighting. Actually, can we change that? Yeah. Guys, this is so good. Not even technique-wise, it's just really, like, I really like the way they did this on her. It's so chic. It's so different. It's so Afro-futuristic. He has some nerve calling me because he knows I don't want to talk to him. He's about to get blocked. This insurance guy called me and I said I don't need, and like I'm not interested. And he's like, yeah, but I can get you better deals, blah, blah, blah. And he's kept rambling about how things he can do for me. And I already told him I wasn't interested, yet he wants to keep me on the phone on hostage. And then I literally said, no, I'm okay. And there was this awkward moment of silence, so I hung up. And he just called me for the 3rd time today. Get your life. You clearly don't understand customer service. If you don't understand a customer say no, you gotta leave it alone. Like, don't call me again. Seriously. Let me see. Okay, well, definitely came out better than I expected on camera. Oh my goodness, I actually ate! I ate! Oh my goodness! Stop playing with her! Stop playing with her! Stop playing with her! I ate. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know it looked this good on camera. I gotta take my photos like this then. Yeah, alright guys, so you guys get the gist of this. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want any more tutorials on whoever it is. I will do my best to recreate them for you guys, but I definitely am enjoying this Recreate Pinterest makeup haul series, and I pray that the Lord has blessed you guys with whatever you desire, as long as it is in His will, and that you guys find everlasting peace and love through Him. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to your girl, because you know the game is lit, 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 lit. And you just simply don't want to miss out. I mean, come on. Women, the revival of being a baddie is very fun when you like what you like. So like what you like, girl, and like this video if you made it this far, okay? Remember that I love you guys and God loves you too. Until next time, peace.